Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Cooking Corner. Today we're gonna make some Jamaican Curry Chicken. Let's get right into it. Got some freshly cut up chicken, like quarters, and first we clean up our meat, remove all the excess fat, all the organs in the back, and cut it up nicely on a cotton board. And then we wash it with lime and water. Now we're about to hit it with all our seasonings, so let's get into it. First we're going in with some onion powder, all-purpose seasoning. This right here are our dry herbs. We have thyme and oregano. Now we're gonna go in with some salt and black pepper. Go into some cayenne pepper. And the star of the show, our curry powder. We're going to go in with a small amount of curry in the oil. We're going to go in with our meat. Now we're just going to cover up our pot and let this cook for a while. So right now we're just turning over our meat. Looking nice, beautiful. Now we're gonna go in with a whole onion, 2 stalks of scallion, a few chopped garlic cloves, and some cilantro, with a couple pieces of ginger. And we cover, let cook. Now we're going to go in with some chopped carrots and then some chopped celery. We're going to mix the meat is cooking up nicely. So we have our stove on medium heat. Just kind of mix this around. Gonna go in now with some water. We're gonna just rinse out the bowl that we seasoned our curry chicken in. We're gonna go in with some water. And we're gonna cover and let this simmer. Now we're going to make some sauté string beans and carrots, so we're going in with some olive oil. We'll go in with our string beans, give that a nice stir, then go in with our carrots and some chopped garlic. And now we're adding a little bit of black pepper and some salt. Now we're gonna make some fried plantains.